To adjust screen size in OBS Studio, you can use two simple methods that work for both beginners and advanced users. The first method is resizing the preview or any source directly on the canvas. Just select the source you want to resize, then click and drag any of the corner or side handles to scale it. OBS keeps the aspect ratio locked by default, but you can hold Shift if you want to stretch or distort the shape. If your preview window looks too small, simply right-click on the canvas, go to Preview Scaling, and select Scale to Window to reset the full view. The second method is using the transform tools for precise adjustments. Right-click on your source, choose Transform, and select Edit Transform. This panel allows you to fine-tune the width, height, position, rotation, and even apply pixel-by-pixel cropping. If anything becomes misaligned or unresponsive, choose Reset Transform to restore default settings immediately. These two methods cover everything you need to resize screens, sources, and layouts in OBS Studio quickly and efficiently. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.